Ready to take the next step in your firearms journey? In 2026, BC Firearms Academy is bringing its top-rated PAL and RPAL safety courses to Ridgedale Rod and Gun Club in Mission, BC, and spots are filling fast. Whether you're applying for your first possession and acquisition license, upgrading to RPAL, or just want expert-level safety training, this is your moment. Our certified instructors deliver professional, hands-on training that meets all RCMP and Canadian firearms program standards right in a welcoming, club-based environment. Choose from convenient weekend dates all year long, take the Canadian Firearms Safety course, and add the restricted firearms safety course to complete both in just one weekend. No club membership, no problem. These courses are open to everyone. Secure your spot today. Visit BC Firearms Academy.ca and register for a 2026 course at Ridgedale Rod and Gun Club. Don't wait. The path to responsible firearms ownership starts here. Join us at Ridgedale.